Trucking with Trentissimo. I wanted to shoot this here December 28th, 2025. No SIM card. It reset itself automatically, and I don't know why it did that, but I'm trying to see if it turns on, see it turned on in duty. I'm not on duty. I've been parked, and that's why I did this. I've been parked at this Walmart. You can check the vehicle. I've been parked at this location. Coming up on 24 hours. And so that's going to mess up my whole restart. Just the thing resetting me. So, system sync currently in progress. Please wait. And it's got my 14-hour negative 39.22. So there's competing clocks with this. If you read the logs as they are, this thing around the back side, but it very clearly says follow the same instructions for providing the summary sheet for 8 days, which is 70 hours, except substitute last 6 days for the last 7 days and 60 hours for 70 hours. They're two different systems. So if I bobtail 1 day in my truck during that 34-hour restart, they can say, well, that restarts it. But I don't actually think it does. I don't have a trailer. But for sure, if I'm on the 60-hour clock and I'm trying to take 34 hours off, and I take 34 hours off, but it doesn't trigger it, then like these logs are the law, not the competing systems of, because it's running a 70-hour clock and the 60-hour clock at the same time. So that's why it's doing this right here. Negative 25 hours, negative 39. And again, it keeps putting me in duty. I didn't even move. It says you can move up to 5 miles an hour. Like, I've been here for almost a day. And I clicked this yesterday. I put in sleeper yesterday. So look, see when it shows the time. 3:46. Okay, so I'm putting in sleeper now. View and certify logs. The other thing it's doing is see, it put me on duty. I was not on duty all day yesterday. I didn't even move. So like that's bullshit. And I think what's happening is when the optimize idle, for some reason, sometimes when it clicks on, if this has turned off and then turned back on, then it, I think it turns back on into duty mode, or when it clicks on, it thinks it started the vehicle and puts you automatically in duty mode. But this is inaccurate. So I'm keeping my January logs. I've already started and put the thing on the front of it there, January 2026. I've got my logs here from, this is all December. So, yeah, I'm legal and I'm in compliance with company policy and the law, but I gotta figure out how to make this thing work as far as just being candid as far as E-logs goes. And me PCing to church or PCing to Planet Fitness or PCing to Pilot just to worship, shower, and live. I'm running as much as I can run miles-wise. It's given to me and everything's within paper compliance. I'm tired of this thing doing stuff like vehicle loss connection, that's fine, but then sending me a warning on my logs when I'm out of violation. So, trucking with Trentissimo, these logs, they got to really figure this stuff out. It's ridiculous. And if you remove added capacity or administrative capacity to the drivers, and it kicks it automatically because of a glitch out of sleeper off duty and on duty, it shouldn't mess up a whole 34-hour reset. Peace be with you. Bye for now. Your best is enough.